Hey, how's it going? Today I'm going to go over how to draw a scary Halloween tree, okay? It's going to be simple, easy for beginners. If you like Halloween drawings, hit the subscribe button right now. It takes less than 2 seconds. Tons of Halloween drawing tutorials. So let's get started. I'm going to go over here and I'm going to pull down. It's going to be kind of the lower part of the mouth. Curve out here, kind of for the brow, the eye of the tree. Pulling up at the top of the tree here, I'm going to have kind of some jaggedy edges. Down over here, kind of the back. Going to go over here to the eye now. And I'm going to form a line up. Excuse me, I sneezed. I'm going to go over here and pull a line downward on this side and upward on that side. Kind of form the whole eye. Pulling in, kind of angry. Pulling in over here, angry. Line, line. Underneath here, underneath here, and I'm gonna find the teeth here now. So I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna pull down, and right here I'm just gonna make this jaggedy like jaggediness, but also keep it in the form of a kind of like teeth. Down and over here as well. Right on. I'm gonna pull back. For a branch. And I'm kind of looking at this and I'm thinking, okay, well, the front is relatively uniform, so I'm gonna pull a line down here. Pulling over here to the roots. And the roots kind of remind me of kind of octopus tentacles combined with maybe like lightning bolts, you know, meaning there's a large root. And it will line over here, down over here, on over here now, pulling in. And that's mostly the roots on the floor, and those are kind of random. They're not exactly the way I want them, but they are just more or less kind of streaming, you know, this kind of field of consciousness, right? You're finding variations like that. Don't forget, by the way, if you want to learn how to draw anything and everything, not just like a tree, go to sketchingeasy.com and click on the dragon. That's going to take you to a lesson, beginner's drawing lesson, okay? Complete beginners. Go over there and check that out if you have time. Over here, zigzagging up, and now what I'm doing is this. I'm really thinking about like a lightning bolt, right? So there's one branch right there, and then there's little branches, like one right there, one right here, just kind of finding little areas to pull other branches out of it. So little branches here. You can do the same thing with the front. Pull like a wiggly style branch outward. Find it over there. Same thing over here. Pull another wiggly branch outward. Pull another small branch out of that. Kind of from here is I'm going to find the texture of the tree. So I'm going to pull thinner lines down, not thick lines, thin. I'm going to try to pull them thin. This is pencil or pen. You can do this as well. I'm trying to pull for so all the bark, right, of the tree is going to be up and down. So I'm going to pull these thin lines right here. right here, kind of up and down throughout the whole tree. I'm just trying to find that thin to thick. All right, thin to thick area. Very, very, you know, I would say very simplistic, but and I'm also kind of dotting them, right? They're not solid, most of them. And see what a completely different look that has now when I did that? Like, it completely changed the look. Now it looks way more like a tree. Way more like a tree. Don't forget to hit that like. You know, sometimes my videos don't, it doesn't send it out to everybody, but when you hit that like, it absolutely does do that. If you want something else as well, you can make a deepness to the mouth. So right here, I'm gonna just throw a zigzag on the far side of the mouth right there, and then I'm gonna fill this area in. Be careful, by the way, this marker does smell bad, and it has a, you know, it's not good for you. So just kind of stay aware. Like keep the window open or do it in a really open area, so you're not inhaling tons of this stuff, because it's not great for you. Marker's kind of dying right there. Let me grab a different one to kind of fill in the rest over here. And there you go. You can add as much as you want, by the way, branch wise. Hopefully you're having a great time. As far as Halloween goes, I'm so excited. I don't know what to wear for Halloween. What are you guys going to dress up like for Halloween? I'm thickening out the eyes there just to give it a little bit more punch, right? You want to give it a little bit more focus, because you're going to probably look into the eyes of this creature and then the mouth and then kind of overall look at it. You're kind of guiding the eye around the page, and that's something that I think that isn't explained enough, so definitely kind of think about that. Oops, it is. And like I said, you can always add more. That's the cool part about something like this, like a tree. You can easily add more if you want. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. I'll see you in the next video, and I'll talk to you very soon, okay? Yeah. See you later.